Hey guys, welcome back to another RadioTRD video. Now today we are currently just going to be doing this tutorial video. This is going to be very quick, and this is going to be how you can add like your feed, like your Twitter feed and your YouTube feed. This episode we're going to be doing the Twitter feed, and then in the next episode, part 2, we're going to be doing the YouTube feed. So, if I just put it up there. That should be much better. And let's just add, so first you need, let's see on this one, you need your Twitter. So let's just add Twitter there. And what we need to do is go into the settings of the server. Sorry about the light. Then you have to go to Webhooks. Then you click create a webhook. Now you need to name it something like Twitter. Select your rules, your channel, which on this one will be Twitter. You upload your image here, which I'm going to upload the Twitter logo. You can choose something else if you don't want that. I'm just going to have to find it. Where's the Twitter logo? There we go. We click it there. Then it will come in and you have to click copy. You have to copy this and click save. It will save. And then we're going to go into the next part, which is another service. This is basically going to be another service. So as you can see, Twitter by me on 9th of September. So what we need to do is go over to our browser and go to ifttt.com/create. In the link down in the description below. So if this, then that. Click this. And what you've got to do, when it loads, is find Twitter or YouTube. You can search it right up here, but because Twitter is right here, we're just going to pick Twitter there. So, and then we want new tweet by you. We click this one right here, so whenever you post the tweet, and we do not want retweets and replies. So you click, so you don't tick those. So then, if Twitter, then what it will do. So, what many of you would do at this point right here is put Discord. But there's nothing for Discord. That's where our webhooks come into play. They do support webhooks. So, we need to click make a web request. Then, we need to paste the URL which we put in right here. Then, we need to click get and put post. The content type will be application/JSON, and the body, which I've got on my notepad, is basically just this right here. This will be down in the description below. So you just paste that in. So that means, so whatever content it is, wherever the tweet is, it will link, like copy it in. So create action, link to tweet. And then, as you can see right here, if new tweet made by RadioTRD, then make a web request. But we're going to have to go back. But what I'm going to do is sign out. No. I'm actually going to just do something else. So I'm actually going to add a RadioTRD bit because I'm stupid. So you don't need to do this part, just have a channel called that and just set it. So category name, that will be RadioTRD feed. Twitter. Then basically Then what we've got to do, by the way, this is a bit more complicated. It's going to get much easier in the second part. So you go to server settings, then we go to webhooks, click edit, you click the channel which we want, which is this one which we've just done. Copy that, save, paste that in there, click post, application.json, and then the body we just copy and paste from here again, which will be down in the description below, and click create action. So it will say when I tweet RadioTRD, it will be into that channel. So we click finish, and then we just wait. So if new tweet by RadioTRD, then make a web request. Now, it says never run. This upload usually runs within a few hours. So we go back, and we go to this Twitter right here. Then what we need to do, sorry about the movement. I'm just going to go right into my Twitter. There you go. Sorry about the light. It's absolutely bright today. Yeah. So let's say I'm right here. So let's just say I put, come on. Let's see if I just want to put hello world. Please, right. This tweet is a test. Please ignore this. We click tweet. I put word. But still. Then we go back to our tab. Why do I keep on doing that? There we go. And then we click check now. It checks. And then when it's actually done checking, applet checked, we go to here and write in the RadioTRD Twitter, hello world, this tweet is a test, please ignore this. Now also, because I had it set up in my other one, as you can see right here, hello world, this tweet is a test, please ignore this. So it can work in all the servers which you have it linked up to, so you don't need it. So this is called Twitter, a bot, but it's not up here on the bots. So, that is it guys, hopefully this was absolutely helpful. We're going to be doing other versions like Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. YouTube's going to be next in part 2. And I hope that you can enjoy. This is my third tutorial in a month. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.